got some nails in the mail. I got some nails in the mail. Remember I told y'all I had ordered a SHEIN fall press-on nail haul, and they split up my packages and were delivering them according to what seller I was ordering my nails from. So I was getting nails here and there, but now I got the rest of the haul and I cannot wait to show y'all because I got some bomb stuff for fall. So let's get into it. Okay, this is the first set, and off the rip, these are just bomb. These nails were $6.90, and these are luxury handmade press-on nails. They're in a long stiletto shape. We got some leopard print on the tips. We got some tiger print on the tips. We got 3D nail art, flowers and bling. They're pink and pretty, perfect for fall. I love these. These are so well made and so beautiful. Set number 2, and these are also a stiletto shape. If y'all don't know by now, I love me some stiletto shape nails. It's one of my favorite nail shapes, so y'all will be seeing a lot of stiletto shape nails from me, just giving y'all a heads up. But let's get into these. These are so bomb. These are a long stiletto as well. I love the gold 3D nail art on these, the bling. I love how the gold is dripping right here with the bling. This one has the bangle nail art design on them. Got a little watch on there. We got some leopard print on the tips. Set number 3, we got a long square shape, and as y'all can see, I love me some kind of like animalistic print on some nails. So let's get into these. Wait a minute. Oh, and these came with a little kit with nail glue, a nail file, an alcohol prep pad, and some nail stickers if you like to stick them on. But of course, I like to glue mine on, so I will be using the glue. But a lot of the nails don't come with this little kit, so I'm glad a lot of these sellers are including a little nail kit for you to apply your nails with. But get into the nails. Like, these are so pretty, shiny. We got the bangle design on these as well. 3D flower print. I love this print as well. Some more tiger print. Perfect colors for fall. The browns and the like beige. Like, these are so pretty. These were $9.42, and you cannot tell me that these don't look like just some extra professional nails. Like, when I put these on, like, nobody would ever believe that these are some $9.42 press-on nails. That is the beauty of press-on nails, and I love it here. I love it here. And now, I know I showed you guys these on another short video that I made, but for those that missed it, these nails are so tea and bomb as well. They also came with a little nail kit for you to put your nails on that comes with the glue, a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and some alcohol prep pads. And get into the nails. Just get into the design on these nails. When I saw these, I absolutely had to have them because I love a little, you know, razzle dazzle on some nails. And these have a shirt and tie on them, and I love the red. I love the gold. I love the line design, like a plaid design that's on them. They also have the bangle design on these. Like, come on, these are so cute. And these are $8.11, and they are definitely worth more because they are just so beautifully made. I'm a little shocked by these because I was not expecting these to be this long. They did not look this long on the app, but let's get into them. So these are so pretty, but I do not wear my nails exactly this long. For all my long nail girlies that love 2XL length in nails, yeah, these are for you. But get into them. They are so pretty, so well made. I love the fall colors, the orange, the pinks, the browns, the tan colors. Like, this is just perfect for fall. They didn't look that long on the app. Let me show y'all what they was giving on the app. And then maybe I was tripping, but they didn't look as long on the app. But I don't even care. I'm gonna still put these bad boys on because they are just too cute to not put on. And I know I showed y'all these two on a previous short video, but for those that missed the other video, y'all gotta get into these as well. So these are a stiletto as well. And I love the yellow, I love the gold, the orange, the fall leaf colors. Like, these are definitely giving all the fall vibes, and they are so pretty. These were $7.74, and I'm definitely giving these a 10 out of 10. And these came with a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and nail stickers. No alcohol pad or glue, but it still came with a cool little kit. We got our own glue anyway, so it don't even matter. But yeah. And these were $8.50, and I love the brown with the burgundy and the gold. The 3D flowers and the gold nail art on these are so tea, so beautiful, so perfect for fall, and you cannot beat these for $8.50. Oh, and the nails that I have on right now were also part of this fall nail haul. Get into them, get into them, get into them. I've had these on for a good 5 days now, and they have not failed me yet. If you're wondering what glue I used to put these on, Beauty Secrets nail glue. That nail glue has never failed me. It's one of the bombest, best nail glues out there right now for press-on nails. And guess what else I got, y'all, in this haul? I got some Halloween nails, but I'm gonna save these for the next video, so y'all better stay tuned.
To get these nails, type in my code on SHEIN in the search bar. Then you're going to click in the top right corner where it says more, and it's going to bring up my list of my favorite nails and things that I've purchased on SHEIN, and click that little red cart to add each item to your cart.
Follow me on TikTok at choc_does-it-all, and if you're viewing this on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, because I'll be having different things going on each one of my social media pages. So subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. It's Choc Does It All. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know how y'all feel about all the nails in this haul. And I will see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Peace. Watch this. Watch this.